Activating a Red Pocket eSIM is easy. It's a digital SIM, meaning no physical card is needed. You'll get a QR code via email or the Red Pocket app after purchasing a plan. iPhones XS and newer running iOS 12.1 Plus and compatible Androids like Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus or Google Pixel 3 Plus with Android 10 Plus are supported. To activate, scan the QR code using your phone's settings, cellular, add cellular plan on iPhone, or network and internet, SIMs, download a SIM on Android. If the scan fails, you can manually enter the activation code. Make sure your phone is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi during setup. Activation usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. If you run into issues activating your Red Pocket eSIM, the first step is to restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. Next, double-check that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection during the initial download, as this is required for the eSIM profile installation. For persistent problems that don't resolve with these steps, contact Red Pocket support through their chat feature for personalized assistance. Remember, when using your eSIM internationally, you may need to enable data roaming in your device settings and be aware that this could incur additional fees from Red Pocket. eSIM profiles are secure and encrypted, and with Red Pocket's approval, they can be transferred between compatible devices for added flexibility. Red Pocket's eSIM plans are affordable, starting around $15 for 1 GB of data, making them a budget-friendly option for travelers. eSIMs are becoming increasingly common, providing convenience for travelers by eliminating the need for physical SIM cards and helping reduce plastic waste. By 2030, eSIM technology could dominate new mobile connections, revolutionizing how we connect globally.